How to unzip Google Drive files on an iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. Today in this video I'll guide you on how you can unzip Google Drive files on an iPhone. Well, in order to unzip Google Drive files on an iPhone, you can simply use the Files by Google app or the Files app on your iPhone. So if you're on your iPhone, you can go ahead and open up your Files app, right? And then open up the particular zip file. All you got to do is simply tap on it and open it up, and then you should get the option to extract it, or you can tap and hold on it and then tap on the three dots and you should get the option to extract it right here if it is zipped. Now I don't have any zip files, but that is how you can easily unzip Google Drive files on an iPhone. You can also download the application. You can navigate to the folder with the zip file, select the zip file, tap extract. A preview of the extracted files will appear. To delete the zip file after extraction, select the delete zip file checkbox and tap done. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.